Quick six-pack secret. The 3 best products to get abs fast. One of the most common problems I see is people aren't using the most effective tools to work out their abs. Number 1, Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro. The Ab Carver Pro is extremely popular, and for good reason. Ab rollers are one of my favorite ab products. And this is the best ab roller out there. The Ab Carver Pro features carbon steel springs that allow you to either add resistance or support, depending on your fitness level. This makes it a great product for beginners, experts, and anyone in between. The wide, spherical wheel makes it easier to roll out in any direction. Rolling out to the left or right side helps target your obliques and other ab muscles more directly. This is important if you want to develop a true six-pack. This product doesn't just work your abs, either. You'll feel the burn in your chest, arms, and back, too. It even comes with knee pads for added comfort as well as a 21-day workout plan. How thoughtful. For only $40, the Ab Carver Pro is an absolute steal. Over 3,800 Amazon reviews with an average rating of 4.45 stars speaks for itself. This product works, and it works for anyone. Number 2, Naoya Abdominal Mat. The Naoya Abdominal Mat may look simple, but it's extremely effective. This premium, high-density mat provides stability, constant tension, and a full range of motion for your exercises. This makes it much more powerful than a regular crunch. One of my favorite things about this product is the versatility. Leg raises, scissor kicks, ab circles, even V-ups. The list of ab exercises you can use this for is endless. Similar to the Ab Carver Pro, the Naoya Abdominal Mat is extremely portable and requires no setup whatsoever. This means you can bring it with you anywhere you go and use it whenever you want. This is also great product for those with lower back pain. Exercises such as leg raises can often cause a lot of discomfort for many people with back problems. The Naoya Abdominal Mat provides great support to your lower back, helping you prevent injuries and practice good technique. As you perform these exercises, you'll also be strengthening your core. A strong core is a crucial component of alleviating back pain. Number 3, Marcy Roman Chair. The Marcy Roman Chair is a more advanced ab product compared to the previous 2. This product not only targets your core, but your lower back, glutes, and hamstrings as well. This product has an extraordinary build quality that will last a lifetime. The equipment is sturdy and won't move around while you're trying to exercise, either. There is plenty of padding to ensure that you get the most out of your workouts. There's nothing worse than having to stop early because the equipment you're using is too painful. The Marcy Roman Chair will help you sculpt six-pack abs, improve your posture and strengthen your glutes and hamstrings. Setting up the equipment is simple, and there are plenty of adjustments to fit your personal needs. The design allows gravity to help increase the difficulty of each exercise. This product takes up some space, though. If you're low on room, you'd probably be better off with one of the other 2 products. But, if you have the room, I highly recommend this product. It's a bit pricier than the previous 2 products, but it's definitely worth the investment. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Google+. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.